So today we are going to prepare the super easy to cook Khoya Matar in microwave. So let's begin. Here I have taken peas. This is the frozen peas or matar. Khoya. This khoya is the leftover from the ghee that I had made in the microwave. Some cashews, cashew nuts, and tomato puree. I have taken tomato ketchup. You can make a paste of tomatoes as well in the grinder and use it. Exact measurements will be given at the end of the video. You can check that out later. I am going to make a paste of ginger, onion, and green chilies. So let's grind these three ingredients and make a paste out of it. Cooking in the microwave is going to save a lot of your time. You can put it into the microwave, set the time, and then let it cook while you continue with your other chores. Isn't that very cool? And regarding the ghee preparation in the microwave, I'll put the link or maybe the I button on top. You can just click on that and then see how that is made in the microwave. Here I've made the onion, ginger and green chili paste. And this is the khoya. Remember I had posted a video about making preparation of ghee in which this in the microwave, that too, and in which I had got this khoya as the residue. I'm going to use this very khoya now. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link. You can check that out on how to prepare ghee in the microwave. And I'm going to use this khoya and prepare Khoya Matar sabzi in the microwave. So the ingredients are all ready. So let's start off. First, a microwave dish. This is a casserole. It's microwavable. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oil, or you can even use ghee. Now into this, I'm going to add the paste that I had just made. I'm going to microwave this on high power for 8 minutes. Let's start that. So microwave power level, high power, and it is going to be for 8 minutes. 8 minutes. I'm going to put this in and just press the start button. Remember one thing here, to stir it once in between or else it will get stuck to the bottom or it may burn. The onion paste is well fried. Now onto this, add the tomato puree, add a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of jeera powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 cup of water. Mix all this very well. Here I have mixed it all very well, and it will go into the microwave again, high power, for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll take this out, stir it once again, and then add the matar into it. The peas. This is the frozen peas. If you'd be taking the shelled peas, you would have to add it along with the tomato puree itself. But since mine is the frozen one, I'm adding it after 2 minutes. This is it. I'm going to put it back for another 2 minutes. And now in the meanwhile, I'm going to slit these cashews into 2 halves. I've taken 9 cashew nuts. 2 minutes are done. I'm going to take it out again. Here it is. This is it. Now onto this, I'm going to add the khoya. Before adding the khoya, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. You may add later if you want to, as per your taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt. Give it a good mix again. And then I'm going to add this khoya into it. Mix this as well, but make sure that you don't make a paste out of this khoya. I have mixed it more or less. Now I'm going to add half a cup of water into this. Half a cup of water. And then mix it well. When you have mixed it, all you need to do is just sprinkle these cashew nuts into it, on top of it. Then I'm going to put it carefully in and microwave, high power, 3 minutes. So it's done. Let me take it out now. And this is ready. I'm going to serve this with parantha and an Indian sweet. It looks delicious.